This is a very clever model of Robbie the robot that's been designed as a folding model. So it prints in place like this, but there are a number of actually disconnected pieces. The two arms already move, the top of the head moves. I had to do a little bit of loosening up around the halves of the body, but the pieces are all connected together. Yes, just here to make that loose, just the tip of a knife, loosen that up. Very, very clever design. Here's the folding places. There, there, here, and just here, these two catches need to be folded up. So I think the first thing to do is to fold that and this. Hopefully they don't break. Now the wheels are loose and this side's obviously going to fit into that side. Oh, this folds as well. And actually tucks into there. That's so clever. Oh, and these come out of their slots. Yeah, they're actually meant to come out. There we go. Might need a little clean up. Just along that top edge there.